Hope guys you are doing well.
Good, thank you.
Just sit on your mat. Sit in any comfortable position and then close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. We will start our today's class by chanting one time of Om. Take a deep breath in. Bring your both palms together, rub your both palms. Apply in your face, apply in your eyes, apply in your whole body. And then slowly go down your head towards God. Now come in the tabletop position on your mat. We'll just warm up ourselves a little bit. Okay, we will do first cow and cat pose. Inhale, lift your head up, make a curve on your spine, open your shoulders, and exhale, head down. Make a hump on your back. Again, inhale, look up, and exhale, look down. Inhale, again, look up, and exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale one last time. You have to look up. Hold there for a few seconds. Keep your elbows straight. Hold your shoulders. Exhale. Look down. Make a hump on your back. Push your both shoulder blades away from each other. And relax. Now just neutralize your spine. Now touch your toes. Lift your hips up. Come for the downward facing dog. Now slowly walk front. And stand up into Samasthiti. Relax. Now we'll start with sun salutation. Ekam, inhale. Raise your both arms up over your head for Udra Vrikshasan. To exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Kreni, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Set, exhale, downward facing dog. Now look at your navel point and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, look front. Bend your both knees, jump front, inhale. And exhale, go bend forward. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. See, if you are doing poses, just try to breathe. When I say inhale, try to just inhale. When I say exhale, try to do exhale. Because if you will not do breathing properly, your muscle will not get that oxygen properly and it will not stretch it in correct way. Okay. So whenever I say inhale, at that time you have to inhale and do not breathe from your mouth. Try to just breathe from your nose. Okay, again, come in front of your mat for the second round. Ekam, inhale, again, raise your both arms up over your head. So exhale, go fully forward down. Treni, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Again, hold there. 1, look at your navel point. 2, just try to touch your heel on the mat. 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round again, Ekam, inhale, raise your both arms up over your head. Do exhale, go fully forward down. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, lengthen your spine. 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, again, third round, Ekam, inhale. Do exhale. Ready, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Again, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump, inhale, lengthen your spine. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale. So exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, inhale, jump front. Ashto, exhale, go forward. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Ekam, inhale, again, raise your both arms up. So exhale, bend forward down. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale all the way, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now just shake your legs, prepare yourself for sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up over your head for Utkat Asana, chair pose. Take your knees back from your toes, do not cross your knees from your toes. So exhale, bend forward down. Ready, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Hold into warrior A. One, join your both palms together up. Look at your thumb. Two, bend your knee in 90 degree. Left feet slightly 5 degrees in. 3, and keep pushing your pelvis down. 4, feel the stretch on your quadriceps muscle. And 5, exhale, again jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front between your both palms. For warrior A, front leg 90, back feet again 5 degrees in. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Keep looking at your pelvis. Hold there for 5 counts. Breathe, inhale and exhale. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Inhale. Sodasa, exhale, go bend forward. Saptadasa, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, now second round, Ekam, inhale, again come for the chair pose at Utkatasana. To exhale, bend forward down. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Set, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A again. Hold the position. Stable yourself in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, again jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front. Again, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dwadasa, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Triyodasa, inhale, upward facing dog. Chaturdasa, exhale, downward facing dog. Again, hold the deep inhale, deep exhale. Recover yourself here. Recover your breath. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms. Sodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Let's move forward for the third round. Again, Ekam, inhale. Bend your knees, come for the chair pose. Doi, exhale. Trini, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front again for warrior A. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As to exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Udmukha. Dasa, exhale, Adho-mukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior A. And hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Tirudasa, inhale, Udmukha. Chaturdasa, exhale, Adho-mukha. Relax. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Inhale, exhale. Try to just breathe here. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Lengthen your spine. Sodasa, exhale, go forward, down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale. Again, come for the chair pose. Do exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Sat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Make warrior B from your right leg. Push your right knee towards the right side. Open your left thigh outward as much as you can. And hold. Look at your right hand. 1, Hastagya Drishti. Your gaze should be on your hands. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Deep inhale, deep exhale, relax there. Now bring your left leg front for warrior B. Now push your left knee towards the left side. Open your right thigh towards the right side and hold. 1. Look at your left hand now. 2. Your shoulder and your chin should be in one line. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now come for the plank pose. Tailbone in. You should pull your tailbone in and push your shoulder blades away from each other. Engage your core. Very good. Exhale, Chaturanga. Make chaturanga. If you cannot make, use support, take support of your knees and then make chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Again, come for the plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Third round, again, come for the plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, come for the plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Make chaturanga properly. Try to go down as well. Again, come for the plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga. Go down. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Last round, come for the plank pose. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing. Just relax there in downward facing dog. Breathe, just keep inhale. Try to breathe. Ujjayi breathing. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up for Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round. Again, Ekam inhale. Make chair pose. So exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Hold into warrior B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So exhale, jump back, chaturanga. Nava, inhale, urdhva mukha. Dasa, exhale, adho mukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior B. Again, hold. 1, look at your left hand. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, jump back, chaturanga. Triyodasa, inhale, urdhva mukha. Chaturdasa, exhale, adho mukha. Hold there. Keep looking at your navel point. Now bend your both knees, again jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Do Kati Chakrasana, twist those. Okay, relax. So yesterday we have done till Triyomukha Paschimuttanasana. We will continue from there. And now we will do our first pose, Janu Sirsasana. Come into downward facing dog. Again, bend your both knees, jump front into Dandasana. Sit in Dandasana. Now first we will do Janu Sirsasana. Bend your right leg at the knee. touch your right feet on your left inner thigh. Inhale, pull your toes in. Inhale, raise your both arms up. And exhale, bend forward towards your left leg. Try to touch your belly first on your thighs, chest on your knees, and then chin on your shin. Hold 1. Very good. 2. Do not just relax. Keep your spine pulling. Do not just bend and relax there like this. Lengthen your spine and keep stretching your spine front. 3. Do not put your head down. Look front, everybody. Do not put your head like this down. Look front and lengthen your spine. 4. Keep looking front. And 5. Inhale, come up. And exhale, drop your hands down. And open your leg, shake your leg. And change your leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee, touch your left feet on your right inner thigh. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, bend forward down towards the right leg. Again, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your palm down. Inhale, lift yourself up and then jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bend your both knees and again jump front for Janu Sirsasana B. Now bend your right leg and now sit on your right heel. Touch your right heel on your anus point. And do not close your leg. Open your knee and try to sit on your right heel. Do not close your knee. Bring closer to your left knee. Just pull it back. Make 90-degree angle from your right knee as well. Okay. Inhale again. Both arms up. And exhale. Bend forward towards your left leg. And hold 1. Left leg. Bend forward towards your left leg. 2, yes, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, release your hand, release your leg, and then change your leg. Now bend your left leg, sit on your left heel. You have to bend your left leg and sit on your left heel. Touch your left heel on your anus point and pull your left knee away more. Make 90-degree from your left knee. Inhale, raise your both arms up. And exhale, bend forward towards your right leg. And hold 1. Stretch, stretch. Lengthen your spine. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, again come up. Exhale, drop your palms down. Inhale, lift yourself up and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. It's okay if you cannot jump, you can just take your legs back and come into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Again, bend your both knees, jump front for Janu Sirsasana C. So C, Janu Sirsasana C, it's difficult pose. You need a lot of like your mobility, good flexibility in your ankle. So what you will do, lift your right leg up, put your right leg on your left thigh, and just try to press your right knee. So you will bring that Flexibility on your ankle. Push your right knee down like this. Again, inhale, lift your leg, right knee up. No. Do like this and push it down. We are warming up our ankle for our Janu Sirsasana C posture. Inhale again, lift. Inhale. Okay. Now let's see how you have to do. You have to lift your right leg up. Bring your right hand under your right leg. Now grab it from your toes and twist your ankle outside. Your ankle outside, rotate. And now just lift your hips up, and push yourself forward and slowly drop your hips down. Your knee should touch on the floor. And inhale. It's okay if you cannot do, just try to maintain this position. If you cannot go forward, inhale. If you can go forward, inhale, lift your arms up, and exhale, bend forward down. Very good. Elite, very nice. Niranga, very nice. काजल जी कर रहे हो आप? दिख नहीं रहा यहाँ से. One.
I'm not able to do.
Okay, देखो आकर 2. अब दिखेगा, आप करिए आप. 3. शीतल जी, वेरी गुड. 4. Chikupa ji, nice. And 5. Now slowly come up and relax everybody. Okay, काजल जी देखिए कैसे करना है आपको. Again एक और बार. अपने right leg उठाइए, lift your right leg up, drop. Take your right hand under your right leg. Grab your toes from your right palm. Now lift your heel up and toes down. You have to drop your toes on the mat and you have to lift your heel upside. Drop. Okay, now press with your palms. Inhale, lift yourself up and slide fronts. And exhale, drop. Just try. It's okay अगर नहीं हो रहा, आप अपने बस ऐसे एंकल को पकड़ के ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Okay. ठीक है, everybody open your legs, shake your legs and then change your leg. Now we'll do the same thing with our left leg. Bend your left leg at the knee. Drop your left feet on your right thigh. Again, we will start warming up. Inhale, stretch your leg. Exhale, bend up. Inhale again, open. And exhale, touch on your chest. Inhale again, open your leg. Exhale, touch. One more last time, inhale. And exhale. Now we'll do the same thing with our left leg. Again, put your left hand under your left leg. Okay, toes in. Okay, this is plantar flexion. We have to put inwards. Okay, grab your feet from your left fingers, put your left feet down on the mat and your heel up. Again, lift yourself up, stretch front and settle down from your hips. Very nice. Inhale, raise your both arms up and exhale, bend forward and hold there. Very good. 1, stay in this posture, feel the stretch from your ankle and your knee. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your hands down, open your legs. Inhale, lift yourself up. And exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Deep inhale, deep exhale, relax yourself for a few seconds. Now we will do Marichasana. Again, bend your both knees, jump front for Marichasana. Sitting Dandasana first. Now bend your right leg at the knee. The distance between your feet and your left knee should be 1 palm distance. You can try it by putting 1 palm between your feet and your knee. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, bend forward down. Now with your right hand, grab your right leg, rotate your right shoulder properly. Grab your right leg and grab your left wrist behind your back. Inhale and exhale, bend. Hold there, try to touch your chin on your chin if you can. If you cannot, just hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, come up. Release your hand, release your leg, and then shake your leg. Now change your leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee. Inhale, raise your left arm up. Both arms. Exhale, bend forward. Grab your left leg with your left hand and grab your right wrist behind your back with your left. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend forward. Very good. And 5. Inhale, come up again. Open your hands. Open your legs. And exhale, drop your hands down. Inhale, lift yourself up. And exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both legs and again jump front into Dandasana for Marichasana B. Again, bend your right leg at the knee. Place your right palm back. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, twist. Now you have to put your left armpit on your right knee. Left armpit on your right knee. And grab your right hand behind your back. Inhale and exhale, twist. Look back. 1. Rotate your left hand as much as you can. 2. If you cannot, you can use rope or something, belt. 3. Sheetalji, left arm, the armpit on your right knee. Twist करना है. 4. हाँ. ओके, अगर आप नहीं पकड़ पा रहे हो कोई बात नहीं. जस्ट अपना जो राइट हैंड है अपने बैक पे रख दीजिए. And 5. Again, inhale, look front. Exhale, release your hand, release your leg, and then change your leg. Now, bend your left leg at the knee. Inhale, raise your right arm up. It's important when you inhale and with exhale, twist. And hold. Now place your right armpit on your left knee and look back as much as you can. 1, 2, 3. श्री कृपा जी, कोशिश करिए अपनी नी को या फीट को पकड़ने की. 4 and 5. Again, inhale, look front, exhale, release your leg, release your hand, shake your legs, place your palms, inhale, lift yourself up and exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Now again, bend your both knees, jump for Marichasana C. Okay, it's also, this pose is little bit difficult. Okay, now you have to bend your left leg over your right thigh. Bend your left leg over your right thigh. Bend your right leg at the knee. Inhale, raise your both arms up, and exhale, bend down. Now grab your left wrist again, inhale, and exhale, try to touch your head on the floor. काजल, अपने जो राइट लेग है, लेफ्ट लेग है, उससे अपने राइट लेग के ऊपर बेंड करिए. अब बेंड कर दीजिए लेफ्ट लेग को भी. बस इन्हें, अगर आपसे नहीं हो रहा है फॉरवर्ड तो इतना ही होल्ड करिए बस आप. 2, होल्ड देयर. 3, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. 4 and 5. Inhale, look up, exhale, open your hand, open your leg, and then change your leg. Now bend your right leg over your left thigh and bend your left leg at the knee. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, bend forward. And grab your left leg with your left hand. And again, exhale down, touch your head, and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2. ट्विस्ट नहीं करना शीतल जी, में सिंपल फॉरवर्ड जाना है. आपको अपना राइट हैंड से राइट लेग को ग्रैब करना है. ऐसे नहीं, बाहर से. यस. 2, वेरी गुड. 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, again come up. Exhale, remove your hands, remove your legs, shake your legs. Again, place of both palms. Inhale, lift yourself up and jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Again, bend your both knees and jump front for Marichasana D. This is the last variation of Marichasana. Now, if you look here, if you bend your leg like this, first look here, then try to do it. Bend your left leg over your right thigh. Then you will bend your right knee as well. Now inhale. Now you have to twist also. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Okay, so you have to do like this. Now I will instruct. Now bend your left leg over your right thigh. Bend your right leg at the knee. Inhale, lift your left arm up. It is difficult, more difficult, so just use rope. And exhale, inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, put your left armpit on your right knee and twist yourself as much as you can. शीतल जी, आपका जो राइट हैंड है वो आपके लेफ्ट नी पे आएगा. ट्विस्ट करना है इसमें. Do everybody. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Just stay there. If you cannot go more than that, just stay in this position. And 5. Inhale, come up, front. Exhale, release your leg, release your hands, and then change your leg. Now bend your right leg over your left thigh. Bend your left leg at the knee. Inhale, raise your right arm up. And exhale, twist. Put your right armpit on your left knee. And again, look back and twist yourself. Hold 1. Correct. 1. Look back, Sheetal ji. Look पीछे देखिए Sheetal ji. 2. Very nice. Twist your head more, everybody. 3. 4. And 5. Inhale again, look front, release your leg, release your hand, shake your legs. Again, press your palms, inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Relax yourself into child pose for a few seconds. Relax so each and every part of your body. Relax each and every muscle of your body. Calm down your breath. Calm down your heartbeat. Focus on your breath. Okay, now sit in any comfortable pose. Keep your spine straight. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Keep your spine straight. Head straight. Now we will chant one time Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring both palms together in front of your heart center. Rub your both palms. Apply on the face, apply on the eyes, apply on the whole body. And gently surrender yourself to God and thanks God for giving us strength for today's class. While blinking your eyes, open your eyes. Namaste to all.
Sir, we have Q&A.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I referred for Trikonasana and all. I referred Yoga Mala and APMB books. Sir. Instruction are the same, but for example, they are telling lift your move your feet apart, inhale, bend, raise your arms like this. They have given. Whereas when you teachers are giving us instruction, you are also telling us hip should rotate this side, pelvic should move up. So such instructions, where can I find, sir?
See, you cannot find these instructions anywhere. See, we have learned by doing ourselves that while doing the posture, what are the changes happening or what should improvement we have to do. If we will not rotate our thigh, we can see. So you cannot get this it in any book, I know, I guess, because I have never seen any book like this where this deeply or instructions clear like this one by one, that how you have to keep your leg in which degree. They just say bring your right leg front, keep your right leg front, just like that. They didn't say that you have to keep your right leg in 90 degree or your back feet in 5 degrees in Virabhadrasana. So this is not, I guess I never read any book
Oh.
like this. So
Okay.
okay.
Sir, and one
Can you
more
look-
thing, sir. Now we did all these 4 to 5 Marichyasana variations. So how to
Totally.
improve on all these things, sir? Not just this, even on front bend, whether it is seated or standing forward bends, how to improve on
Yes,
all
yes.
these things? Because in general, one common problem I see is what is that? Hamstring tightness.
Yeah. See, if you have tight hamstring, you can do a lot of exercises for your hamstrings. Like you can do butterfly also. Butterfly, use try to do butterfly warrior poses also. It will stretch your hamstrings. Even you can do the pose Hanuman Asana, front split pose Hanuman Asana. You can try that for your hamstring.
Okay.
Anjani Asana, there is one Anjani Asana you can search. This is all, that is also good for your hamstring. So these, there's so many exercise poses, exercises for your like hamstring.
Okay.
But here also we will do it. I will also like someday we will not do Ashtanga. We will try different class of stretching.
Okay.
If you are all are comfortable with, then we'll do stretching someday. Okay.
Okay.
Side split, front split. We will practice here
Okay.
in this class. Okay.
Mhm. Thank you.
Okay. Namaste. Take care, everybody. See you tomorrow, guys.